My people, I know say many of una when be say una dey hear flood for different part of Nigeria. Una go just dey reason say maybe the water just dey still. No be so. For some place the water dey flow like say na heavy river and e don divide and destroy so many roads. As I dey talk to you now, shebi you see say all these people hold rope. Na person dey try save like this one as me and you dey talk, and the person dey inside that water. Wetin the way this water dey move na wetin oyibo dey call current, and as you dey see am, the current heavy well well. The person wey dey try save no be that person wey you dey see now o. The person still dey there, the person face never even show. I wan share this video because I wan make una understand the gravity of the situation wey dey go on, because many people no understand the gravity. They just dey hear flood, maybe they just see say maybe some house don cover, they assume say everybody don pack. Many people don go all those house wey be say cover. Some people be dey trapped inside when all these things happen and they no sabi swim o. People dey look for their family o. And if get video now wey be say I go even show you now wey be say wetin dey share for people wey be say no get house na one cup of rice. How you wan make people wey no get house, no get stove, all their gas, everything don lost for flood? How you wan make dem cook 1 cup of rice? So this government wahala no be today e start o. According to wetin I dey hear, na Cameroon dam dey open, and this Cameroon dam matter government don discuss am since 1980 something. And guess who be our leader that time? E be like say na our current leader Buhari na still be leader that time when be say this flood matter dey discuss am, say if they no tackle am now, in the future e go affect Nigeria o. Because if they no release if they no work on the flood, how they go take barricade the flood if e go come, e go enter our country. And na wetin everybody dey suffer now. Millions of people don lost their homes for different states across Nigeria as me and you dey talk now. And this particular video wey you go see, so you go soon see the man when he come out, he dey shake because wetin he don experience, him mouth no fit talk am. You go soon see the man. Na the man be that, in the back of that tree. They don dey zoom am now. Him don come and water don, in fact na God na save this man. And the people wey be say they get the courage, the people wey be say God give the courage to enter this kind current, because no be everybody sabi swim. And even though say you sabi swim, e get the way the current go high reach, you no go fit. Abeg make una continue to dey watch the video. The man go soon come out. Na the man hand dey hold, so they dey try tie rope for a body. The man no gree o, because he know wetin eye don see for the water. He know as he don struggle inside the water, as the water say brush am comot. If not maybe for this tree wey be say e see hole, only God know wetin for happen to am. Because e be like say as the water dey brush am comot with full force, now he use the last strength grab the tree. So na so they come take save am. The guy no gree o. He no gree enter the water, because even as they dey inside the water like this, so they still dey feel the strength of the current dey brush. That man wey wear green shirt get courage. He enter inside, he stand gidigba, say this man, we must save am today. Since our government wey be say our government no get sense, we go do our best. You see the water, you see as the water dey carry them, comot. You see as the water dey carry them, and the water dey carry them o. No be dem move this movement when they move, so na water carry them from there reach there. They don save the man. Oh, what a country we are in. What a country we are in. Now God dey help us. So my people, I no go call the name of this place because I wan make you know say na Nigeria we dey. Na all of us dey feel am together.